Hello everyone. This lecture video is about finding significant figures. So how do you find significant figures of a certain number? So let's say we have this number 304500000000. This is how you do this. The first question you need to ask yourself is, does my number have a decimal point? If my number does not have a decimal point, then I need to find the first number all the way from the right side that is not a zero. So what do I mean by this? Here's my number. I start all the way from the right where I have a zero, and I move along to the left until I find the first number that is not a zero. This number is 5 in this case, right here. This is number 5. Now, once I find number 5, everything from number 5 all the way until the end of the number on the left is a significant figure. So all of these numbers, 3, 0, 4, and 5, they're all significant figures. So the second question you should be asking yourself is, well, what if the number I have does have a decimal point? Like that. How do I find the significant figures? Once again, this time you start from the end of your number, from your decimal point. Notice that over here you are also starting from your decimal point, really, right? You're starting from your decimal point and you go until you find the first non-zero number. In this case, this is number 3, right here. So this number and all of the numbers behind it, they're all significant. And it doesn't matter if you have a bunch of zeros at the end in this particular case. If your number has a decimal point, these two are significant. So in this case, the significant figures are 3, 0, 4, 5. In this case, the significant figures are 3, 4, 0, 0. Okay? All right, so now let's write down a nice official procedure for this. This is going to be a decision tree. Now, a decision tree means it's well, actually, we don't need to have a decision tree. We can just have a procedure. So, you start from the decimal point. Then you move until you find the first non-zero number. That number and all the numbers after it until the end of the number are significant figures. Very, very, very simple. So let's do another question and let's do another example. Here is a number 530006500000. Okay. So let's find some significant figures. First, I need to find the first non-zero number. I start from my decimal point. My decimal point is right here, right by the last zero. Now my first non-zero number is right here. This is number 5. This number and all the numbers after it, they are all significant figures, all of them. Does it matter that I have 3 zeros sandwiched in between? No, it does not. All of them are significant figures. These are all sig figs. Okay, so how about a number that has an explicit decimal point? So here's my number, 0.000500430. The procedure is going to be exactly the same. I'm going to find the first non-zero number. This is number 5 over here. This number and everything after it until the end of the number, they are all significant figures, including these 2 zeros and this 0 over here. They are all significant figures. Okay, and that's about it for significant figures.